How to increase volume on Android phone. So the first, let's go to settings here and then go to sound and vibration and click on volume. So these are the volumes for the Android system, the ringtone, media, notification, system. Okay, so what if we increase the volume to the maximum and we're still confused about it, or we don't have the result that we're looking for? Simply we're going to download an application. So here we go to open Google Play, and then here in the search bar, search for volume booster. In here we got this one. It's volume booster good EV. Just download it, click on install, and wait some seconds until it's getting downloaded. It's obviously 3 megabytes, so yeah. Now open the application here. Just give it the permission, but this warning that said playing audio at high volume can damage hearing or destroy speakers or otherwise damage your device. You just need to get now this information so well, because this is an announcement. Okay, just click on OK here, and now we can boost this one up to 10%, 20%, even 10%, but it's highly risk. Once you get higher, it's getting highly risk. If you would like to stop the server, just click on stop server here, OK, and the server being stopped. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know down in the comments below if the video was helpful, and thanks for watching.